Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to make a farmer villager in Minecraft. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you need to do is simply find a Minecraft village or a villager and come to the crafting table. Make sure it got 2 logs, then get some oak plants. Now what you're gonna do is simply turn those planks into a slab. This is to be done because we need to make a composter. Now all you need to do is simply craft the slabs, 3 on the left, 3 on the right, and 1 in the middle, in the bottom row. Now after this, all you need to do is simply find an unemployed villager, and once you find them, you need to place the compost besides them. After doing this, you will be successful in making that unemployed villager a farmer. So these were the simple and easy steps. Make sure you follow these steps to make a farmer villager in Minecraft. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.